Right, now I'm at the picturesque front of the estate. Oh, squirrel, squirrel! I don't know if you can see that. I'll say welcome to the channel, welcome to the VRC, where today I'm on an e-scooter instead of the e-bike. When I'm past these people, I'll tell you more about it. Let's go to the road. Right, so, yeah. You know what, I might cross the road again and go down the path. I think I shall. Woo! I'll go around here. Yeah, so this is the iScooter i9, which I got from iScooter, obviously. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry, mate.
Thank you, it's alright. Right, so anyway. It's hard to concentrate on this. Yeah, I thought I'd do a little ride on this. Just because it's a bit different. And obviously it's e-VRC, not e-bike VRC. Here we go. Whoop. Right, let's cross over. Let's be safe. Let's try and convince the world that I want to push scooter. So, they do say don't accelerate down a hill on a scooter, but especially when you can't see where in the corner. All right, there's that one. Not just me. Whoop. There's something about being on an e-scooter. Ah, I want an off-road one now. Woo! They are exciting. So, yeah, if you're a UK viewer and you're interested in one of these are going about like £320 or something on the iScooter website. But with a discount code 80VRC that you put in, you can get it for a lot cheaper. You can get 80 quid off. It goes down to about 260. You get a free bag. Squirrel! Play squirrel squatting. Let's get slow down here. Cheers. So the question I want to ask for this video, what's better, e-bike or e-scooter? Let's have some sort of vote in the comments. What do you reckon? If I had the choice, if I could only ride one or the other, I'd probably just go with e-bike. A bit more stable. Is this my uncle? I feel like this might be my uncle. No, it's not my uncle. Thank you. Right. Yeah, I mean, I am on, obviously, not an off-road scooter. It goes over this. It is a bit bumpy, but obviously e-bikes have rubber tyres, so it is a lot more comfortable than this. And obviously, they mostly have suspension as well. But there is something about just being on a scooter, the fact that I'm just standing on a board, you know, standing on a board, just going forward. Obviously, I'm not really putting any real pedaling effort in, which you don't have to on an e-bike either. Wind running through skin. Thank you. Cheers. Crazy Douglas, you're on TV. So, funny thing is, once I get down here, I was just going to turn around, so I'm just going to probably pass them again. Not like on the bike where I can just go on the road. I mean, I could go on the road, but and then e-bikes is there. I mean, well, I've got the ADO, obviously, well, not obviously, you might be here for the first time, ADO A20F, which is a 500 watt e-bike. It's very nice, and it's got a nice, like, throttle and things like that. And then there's this, the iScooter, 350 watts, obviously all fully powered by the scooter. I mean, I could push it, but right now, if I try and push it, whoa, it doesn't really, there's no point in that. But yeah, let me know what you think. What would you prefer? Would you prefer an e-scooter or an e-bike? You could probably do more on an e-bike because you can have lots of bags and things like that. But you know, I'm gonna just risk going along the front on this and back round in a loop. I shall. Thanks. Right, how do I get up there? We'll go up that. Is this the big mistake? Is this the big mistake I'm going to make going onto this road here? Everyone does it? Nah, I'm going to go back. No, I'm a chicken. I'm chickening out. Tell me in the comments. Should I have gone on the road? I'm alright to stay around here. Thing is, I want to convey to the world that I'm actually going somewhere on this and not literally just riding for fun. I feel like I need to show that I'm visiting, and now I look like I'm just after him. Thank you. So now I'm going to see the crazy dog people again. Oh, hang on. Yeah, they're the crazy dogs. They're crazy dog. Crazy dog's coming back. So, and only one crazy dog. So it looks like one dog met another dog and they turned each other crazy. So they're going to be like, look, the man with the camera stuck to his chest is coming back. It's nothing like that. I just need to get home. They're going to let me pass, but I'm going to go slow again. Here we go. It's just passed. Thanks. Right, so how fast am I going? 15 miles an hour. Oh, you know, my battery's gone down a bit. It just, you know what, it felt a bit slower. I feel like I should always leave it in charge. It's on 16 now, which is, oh, that was a big bump. Ow. 16. I'm on cruise control right now. I'm going to slow down over this, actually. I would love to try see what an off-road scooter is like over those surfaces. I imagine they just bump over everything with suspension and everything. This one doesn't have suspension. It's nice and comfortable. It's, like I said on the review of this, it's a lot more comfortable than like your standard Razor kick scooter. It does go over bumps a lot nicer. If I was on that right now, it'd be proper like rattling away. But this, I think you can probably hear that it's not loud at all. I'm hoping, I'm currently using the Insta360 camera, but in 4K normal action camera mode, so it's only facing out the front, strapped to my chest. But there's a GoPro 10 coming out soon, which I'm not trying to get because I've looked at what the quality looks like. It looks the same as the last GoPro 9, GoPro 8, to be honest. But I'm hoping that it's going to make the GoPro 8 or 9 prices go a bit down. If I can do that and get a decent action camera on my chest, and then I can still have the 360 stuff going on. Because the problem is, if I strap the 360 to the scooter, I'll be quiet a sec now. Thank you. If I strap it to the scooter, it rattles, like it just goes. So yeah, it's not very good for that. Let's just get up here. Oh nope, running through the middle. Thank you. It's a fairly steep hill. I'm going 10 miles an hour, and I am heavy, 15 stone, 9 miles an hour. You see that? Right, shall I go along the front? I'm gonna risk the front. Jesus Christ, what was that? What shall I? I'll go up the path. I'll go up the path. Crazy ducks. Right. I am nearly home though. So yeah, let me know if are you a GoPro? Tell me what you know about them. They don't seem to get that much better per generation. Like if you got a GoPro 10, for example, you wouldn't really need another one until you got the GoPro like 15 or something, maybe 14. Let me know. But as I get to this top, yeah, it's kind of. This is a fairly decent hill. I'm going 10, 9. Doesn't like it, but still way faster than a kick scooter. Faster than I'd probably be going on a normal bike. There's a normal bike coming right now. Hopefully they will give me the path with their big wheels. Right, I'm gonna say goodbye there. No, I won't say goodbye yet. I'll wait until I'm at the front again. Here we go, here we go. Right, so Woo, 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 woo. Like it does alright. Right, so that'll do. Nice little short run. I'll say goodbye. You're watching the e-VRC on the e-scooter. Remember, oh, squirrel everywhere. If you want to listen to a person just chat about whilst they're cruising around on electronic vehicles, do subscribe to the channel. Until next time, if you would like to join me, take care of yourself and goodbye.